Introducing Gordon, an innovative solution for quick and mass software updates of control units, even before installation in vehicles. Fast, mass, and most importantly, without delaying production. Gordon saves your time where it matters most. Production is about to start any moment, but you're still waiting for software updates. Or the line is already running and you're suddenly figuring out how to store vehicles that can't go to their customers. Previously, this would mean delays, stress, and lots of improvisation. But with Gordon, it's different. Control units can be updated quickly, in bulk, and without unnecessary obstacles. Gordon is a patented system that can update up to 8 control units at once, and no specialist and additional equipment is needed for it. Just connect it, and it takes care of the rest. Identifies the control unit, installs the correct software, verifies the update progress, and sends all necessary data for reporting. After connecting, identifying, and updating the unit, all data, including changes, are sent to a central database, from where they can be distributed via EDI to the client's database or other links in the supply chain. What is it like in practice? During the production process, you need to update 3,000 units. What used to take 70 hours now can be done in 20 hours. You don't need to park vehicles. No one waits. No losses, no delays, no dissatisfied customers. Gordon is faster than the production itself. An integral part of the system is the control mechanism. Gordon recognizes each unit by a unique key and records the entire process in detail. Each set has a precisely defined number of units. The worker confirms them one by one on a tablet, and if any are missing, the system won't proceed until everything is correct. Thanks to this, the error rate is practically zero. No matter where in the world you use Gordon, our team is always ready to help you. We tailor Gordon to your needs and remain available throughout its deployment. Gordon is not just a suitcase, it's a complete and thoughtful ecosystem. All data can be found neatly in one place, from detailed information about the flashing of each unit to clear graphs with results. With the rental of Gordon, you also gain reliable support from the entire Digiteq Automotive team. Experience the efficiency of Gordon's automated updates. Get started now.